Hey everybody, this is Eddie from Flex. As machine tool manufacturers, we understand wanting to get the most output from your machines while also minimizing your operational cost of each of those machines. So today, let's see how our industry-disrupting FlexJet Waterjet can help you increase efficiency and reduce those operational costs. Instead of a multiple piece cutting head that requires various parts, increasing your overall cost of replacement, the FlexJet IDE cutting head uses a solid one-piece body style. More components really just means more cost. So the FlexJet is specially designed to help you save money, lower parts cost, and put those dollars back into your business. So what does this mean for you? For perspective, other industry components can only typically support 250 to 500 hours, while our special FlexJet IDE cutting head has an expected lifetime of 500 to 1,000 hours, allowing up to 10,000 on-off cycles before maintenance. And to sweeten the deal, it's even backed with our standard 500-hour warranty. The heartbeat behind the FlexJet is our industry-proven intensifier. Though it consists of various components, there are three main parts that we'll highlight today. FlexJet pumps utilize soft seal technology on both ends of the high-pressure cylinder, which provides quicker, easier maintenance and extends the life of the seal head body. The high-pressure cylinders utilize fine-pitched threads with an anti-seize coating for precise alignment and effortless assembly. This will eliminate tedious assembly downtime, provide ease of use, and facilitate ideal operating parameters. Replaceable seals on both the inlet and the outlet ends isolate the check valve body from contact with moving parts. This consequently provides longer life in tandem with worry-free operation. And to further reduce maintenance costs, the FlexJet replacement seal valve is built to last up to 4,000 hours. Another key factor that contributes to the FlexJet's overall lower maintenance requirements is our specialized two-piece construction. Now, not only does this accommodate for thermal expansion, but it also provides elevated rigidity. Rigidity is vital for tolerances and part finishes, but it also greatly reduces movement of the various components of the machine. Less movement means less friction, and less friction means reduced wear and tear of components, giving them extended operational life and reducing your operational costs. Complete Care Plus is our proprietary maintenance program that conveniently provides parts and consumables for the first 2,000 hours of a FlexJet's operation. When the need for components or support arises, the Complete Care Plus program provides the resources to limit those inconvenient machine downtimes. So what does this all mean for you? Extended component life, less consumables, and the support you need to keep on cutting. For more information, check out our socials or visit us at flexmachinetools.com.